HobbyKidsTV.
Quick, Batman, get me out of this box. The bad guy is getting away. Actually, he's not. It kind of looks like he's still trapped in the box. So, Commissioner, I don't know what you're talking about. It's all taken care of. Not that bad guy. The other one.
Batman, you're no match for Zurg!
Got him! What's up, Hobby fans? I'm Hobby Mom. Let's get Commissioner Gordon and his police car out of the box so he can take care of all the other bad guys with Batman. Let's see what his police car does and all the cool things. We'll be able to have fun with it. You can collect the whole Batman series or just check out our channel for the full toy review. This car is awesome. If we turn the car on and press the button on top, the lights flash and it makes a police car sound. Ready? Gotham City Police is what it says on the doors. And yes, the doors do open. I love that when you can put your character inside of a car. Commissioner has his badge, of course, here. And he's rocking the stash. Let's put him inside. Close him up. Next, let's take a look at K.Croc and his swamp ski. This swamp ski is pretty gnarly. Check it out. If you press on the handles, his jaws snap and he can catch Batman. Or can he?
Chomp, 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 chomp.
There's wheels underneath, 3 of them. When the bad guy rolls across on his ski jet, it glides easily. The Croc comes with his own spear that you can put in either hand. His hands rotate all the way around, and just like all the other Imaginext toys, he's able to sit as well. His swampy chains do come off of his body. Check it out. See, it's real rubbery. So that way he can break free and show off his alligator abs. His head does not turn, but his arms do, all the way around. So it kind of looks like he's like, I'm kind of sad. You can make him look happy, like he's like, yeah, I just got the good guy, ha 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 ha, now I'm gonna eat him. Hey, I heard that. Good work, Commissioner. I got it from here. Attack, Swampski! Not me! Batman!
Oh, sorry.
Gotcha, Batman.
Wonder Woman!
Oh no, you didn't, Croc. Ruh-roh. Ah, thank God, Wonder Woman's here. By the way, you're like extra giant today. Well, I am an Amazon woman, although I do prefer to be called a Glamazon woman. Now let him go, Croc, or I'll lasso you. Okay, fine. Police Commissioner, we got the bad guy. I'll chain him up. Make sure to get his hands real good, too. This isn't fair! No! You're going to jail with all the other bad guys. Thanks, Batman, for helping to get Croc. We've been trying to get him for weeks. Well, I do what I can, you know. Actually, it was me that captured him, and I'm gonna throw him in jail too. Oh, hey, Zerd. How's it going?
Not fun.
Really? So, you been here a while?
Yes.
Pretty tight space, huh?
Yes.
So, wanna play cards or something?
No.
Okay, alright, fine. Oop, just got another call for another bad guy. I'm on my way. Ouch! That really hurt.
We have over 1,000 videos, so make sure to subscribe right now so you can watch all of our videos. We'll see you guys on the next show. Thanks for watching. Toodles!